At this moment, what I'd like everyone to do is to pull out their sketches, and then we can grab some clay that is back into the bin. And so now the next step, to create our first pinch pot, we want to take our other fingers, our other 4 fingers, place them directly on top of our thumb, and we pinch down and rotate the clay. So pinch and rotate until you've completed a full rotation. Then we move our hands down slightly so that we can find new clay to pinch.
Are your hands getting tired?
A little bit.
A little bit? Really good. You're really close to a quarter inch.
How's it going, Dr. John?
I think I grabbed too much clay, but I'm getting down to a quarter of an inch is not easy.
It's not. It's all a learning process, and the more times that you kind of repeat it, the more comfortable you get with kind of getting to that point.
Christine, how am I doing? Is this, I'm on the right path?
That's good. That's good.
When you have your finished pinch pot, you're gonna rest it upside down so that the bottom of our pinch pot starts to dry and the rim is losing some of that moisture, so it's nice and firm. When your pinch pot reaches this stage, then you can start attaching the objects that we designed.
Holy cow.
You wanted that
This is
big?
not what I was trying to do. I was trying to make it tall, but it just got wide.
So Christine, which one are you doing? The loops or the spikes? The spikes.
I'm making two.
Requirements for this project, I wanted to meet.
Well, I'm making this one first.
Because
This one I think is gonna be hard.
What I was thinking of is, because it's called a planter, right? So I was thinking you put plants in it, right? And so I was thinking about how I could flip it over and it would be level. But it didn't happen. I realized that's harder to accomplish than I thought. This isn't working.
What'd you get on it? Do not make no don't. I got my green back. Make sure nobody. Wait, what?
It's not going to last much longer. the top is caving in, the side caved in. I think the problem I have is I really need to let this sit. Without letting it sit, it just caves in. This is gonna break.
What is that?
See, that's what I was thinking. I guess then that this is a lesson in resilience, grit, right? Where you realize that you've really messed something up and you have to start all over. Is art something you guys want to study? Continue studying?
Probably not, but I like it. It's fun.
Are they full tubes or are they square? Are they closed? Yeah, I like those. That looks very like underwater, like some sort of creature. This is starting to look like Shrek's head.
So what we need to do, we need to start cleaning up.
Gives them a chance to be active and get their hands dirty.
Yeah.
And it was cool. A lot of fun.
I appreciate you
Thanks
guys
for
wanting to come in. Thank you.
Yeah, it was good.